You just book a giant. I'm a favorite client. Walk it line like me and walk science. Walk it line like
Welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host, Amelia, and today we're here with a great artist by the name Prazaro. We're going for a quick break, and when we come back, you get more from the man himself.
murderer, murderer. 100 spitter. Well, yard up. Well, yard up. Oh, you feel this a head banger. 51 binds will in other panya. Hoy, well, yard up.
Prazaro, once more, welcome to the Portmore Talent Show. How are you today?
I'm good, definitely, and thank you for having me.
Definitely. So, as I always say, the Portmore Talent Show showcase your talent here as well as to the entire world. Cool?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, just a little about you. What is your government name?
Well, my government name is Romain Ellis.
Romain Ellis.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Ellis. And where did you grow up?
I grew up in Spanish Town, St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And did you go to school, Spanish Town, St. Catherine?
Well, I go to During Park Primary, Edith Dalton James I.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool. So, what event happened showed you that you had this talent?
Well, there's no event that happened to show me. I was born with it.
Natural.
Natural. Not something that I just take up a day and just start do.
Hereditary.
It's something that
Been there from day
been
one.
from day one.
All right,
So
cool.
I just dwell on it and just try to pursue it and push it even further.
Cool. Do you while you were going to school, did you perform at school?
Yeah, been into a lot of event, coming the Gleaner, Observer,
Yeah.
go to Edna Manley, and been around other musician persons
Yeah.
such as Ibo Cooper and other more great persons. So yeah.
What was your experience like being around those great personalities?
Alright. It was good because at the moment they were showing me a lot of stuff that I need to know. So I grasp on that and calculate each and every step and everything
Yeah.
that they show me. So until today, I just use up all of those stuff and the understanding that they give to me. Yeah.
True. How were you received while you perform with at school or in the general public? How were you received?
Well, I receive art. People accept me easily because of my energy
Yeah.
and the sounding that I have. Yeah, and the personality that I pursue and the character alongside. So people easily accept me. Yeah.
Cool. So, Prazaro, apart from singing, any other talent you possess or like to showcase?
Well, I'm good at cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, can call it I'm a chef still. Good at cooking. Have the touch.
Yeah. So, you have like a YouTube channel for that? Is it just
Honestly, it's just music at the moment. Yeah. But I have the touch in cooking and yeah.
so? What's your favorite dish to prepare?
Well, there's only a favorite dish for me. For once I may I prepare it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So like I want to try one of them still.
Definitely. That's why I asked you which one is your favorite. Something nice,
Well-
something quick.
Alright. I love cabbage and saltfish mixed together.
Yeah.
Yeah, ground food, you don't know. Yeah,
Mm.
man, that's my thing, man.
All right. Strong black man. I like that. So, do you have any recorded songs?
Yeah, a lot of recorded song out on the YouTube, Spotify, Amazon, Audiomack. You can check it out, Prazaro Viva or Prazaro Official, whatever.
All right, cool. We'll definitely check that one out. So, Prazaro, are you signed with a booking agent or a manager at this time?
Honestly, I'm not signed to anyone.
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm an independent artist, just trying to bring it to forefront level.
Yeah.
But from once there's a person that willing to work with me, I will accept that person.
All right. Well, I'm sure based on your talent, it will be sooner than later.
Yeah, definitely.
So, while being an independent artist, what is it like in terms of comments from people? Or people
All right.
always have good and bad to
All
say.
right. The comments people always reach out to me asking that, you have a manager? I'm like, what do you mean? And it's like, them would say, to you, you know?
Yeah.
You think just orchestrate that way there, and I feel make them know, say, I'm not a manager, man. I just me, I work by myself, and, you know? You have to be a person, like, you have to, it's the way you love, like music to me, you have to show that interest, and you have to spend for your career to me see it before you even get support to me see it. Yeah.
True. Spend money to make money.
Yeah,
as well.
exactly.
Cool. So, while in the music industry, being an independent artist, what are some of the things that you have learned?
A whole heap of things I learn still, you know. So my thing what I learn can't even talk about.
All right, tell me the one that was safe to talk about.
Alright. That's a go now in. The whole heap of fight day and night. People are see you as a great person, know that you have talent. And problem now you can be the person for outshine them if them can give you strength.
Yeah.
Them not go on that go on. But otherwise from that I learn a lot of good things like your time limit, you manage your time. Say if you have a stage show and such, you have to know for schedule your time and be on time and such like that. And otherwise, I learn a lot of things to even you as an artist, you have to know certain things, you have to get your own stuff together, sign up your own things together and such. Although we're not gonna know much, but along the way, yeah.
Understand. So you make time for yourself, you do things by yourself, and at the end of the day, you push yourself.
Yeah, exactly. So in that case now, if anyone wish to work with me and see that talent, from once the energy, right? Yeah.
All right, cool. Is there any song or music video that you'd like to promote?
Here there is many songs that on my channel right now, but at the moment, I would like everyone to like check out this song called by my client, Get Up. There's many more on the channel, but we have some underground project coming right now with various people, so just have to keep an eye out.
So is it My Client, Guard Up? Is it two songs or just one?
Two
song?
songs.
So My Client and
Yeah.
Guard Up.
Yeah.
The My Client and the Guard Up give me a certain vibe.
Yeah.
I dig in the vibe. So
My client, just book a giant. I'm
like
a favorite client. Yeah.
like that. So, Prazaro, how far do you see yourself in the music industry?
Honestly, there's no limit, you know. Just have to continue, do what you have to do, because really and truly nobody know the hour, the minute, the second, whatever. You just have to do what you have to do. You know, with God to and trust in it.
So we have come to the end of the interview segment with Prazaro. We're going for a quick break, and when we get back, you will get a live performance from the man himself promoting My Client and Guard Up. Stay tuned.
You just book a giant. I'm a favorite client. Walk it line like me and walk science. Walk it line like me and walk science. You just book a giant. I'm a favorite client. Walk it line like me and walk science. Walk it line like me and walk science. Strap up like patient, well guard. Full of beer dialers in my backyard. Full of escape plan, like El Chapo Guzman. Them bangers of them new brand. GPS for this car, that's usual. Me have a link with Western Union. Tacky number for know when the food land. Have a major link with Bro God. Elizabeth and Dana so mad. Cause a US and pound of the total. Change my voice, come my voice full of vocal. Hello, am I speaking with Oprah? Dark deposit, can you tell me the total? Tell me your budget or you tell me your option. What we have is very important. Do you have kids? Do you have a husband? You just book a giant. I'm a favorite client. With a family, God's among us. Prazaro links large, large. Murderer, murderer, murderer. 100 spitter. Well, yard up. Well, yard up. Oh, you feel this a head banger. 51 binds all in another panya. Hey. Well, yard up. Well, yard up. Oh, you feel this a head banger. 51 binds all in another panya. Watch ya, links them stink ya. Like rubbish chunk, big matty, now your girl. Get me not to suck, what a clean pedicure. I'm a French here. Violate she a binds you anywhere you go. Ramp with my food, and I might have a luck. Big matic na my waist, I'm in a van a shot. Can't take this small food off enough. Links them large, go straight to Falmouth. Well, yard up. Well, yard up. Oh, you fit this a head banger. 51 binds all in a panya. Well, yard up. Well, yard up. Oh, you fit this a head banger. 51 binds all in a panya. Lucifer give me the contract, what you mean? Circle the bank, money green. And a ghost rider alone, little steam. AR-15 with a chrome magazine. No celebrity and gold, them a fame. Is a weeded girl beside me. Give her my go ring, fishy highway. I fish up like Iraq and ISIS. Well, yard up. Well, yard up.
Buddha family, big brother. Cha-cha.
Yeah, me love my brother till death. Bun beer, weed and smoke cigarette. From my brother gone, me no fear death. Be a fake smile and talk them make. Reincarnation is a must, my brother. They hold it out, now your bad green sweater. Wish heaven could accept visitor. Big brother, me a drink me alcoholic. Mets feel mash up Titanic. Can't pre-righteous like chronics. Enough people always should this. Yeah, me dark and me damn savage. Feel me Glock ram up like damn traffic. Don't know who never real with way. Don't know who never real. Yeah, me love my brother till death. Bun beer, weed and smoke cigarette. From my brother gone, me no fear death. Be a fake smile and talk them make. Reincarnation is a must, my brother. They hold it out, now your bad green sweater. Wish heaven could accept visitor. Them feel me no know enough thing me rake up. Me heart no love no sweet no donut. Go on with your fake smile and your makeup. All of them faker than a polar. For my brother that a my hero. From your gun my gun a zero. Still freezing sub-zero. Yeah. Yeah, me love my brother till death. Bun beer, weed and smoke cigarette. From my brother gone, me no fear death. Be a fake smile and talk them make. Reincarnation is a must, my brother. They hold it out, now your bad green sweater. Wish heaven could accept visitor. Big brother, me a drink me alcoholic. Mets feel mash up Titanic. Can't pre-righteous like chronics. Enough people I wish for this. Yeah, me dark and me damn savage. Feel me Glock ram up like damn traffic. Don't know who never real with way. Don't know who never real. Yeah, me love my brother till death. Bun beer, weed, smoke cigarette. From my brother gone, me no fear death. Be a fake smile and talk them make. Reincarnation is a must, my brother. They hold it out, now your bad green sweater. Wish heaven could accept visitor. Yeah, me love my brother till bun beer, weed and smoke. From my brother gone, me no fear. Be a fake smile and talk them make. Reincarnation is a must, my brother. They hold it out, now you wish heaven could accept visitor. Yeah, me love my brother till death.